Hello and welcome to The Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video, we're making a watermelon salad with feta cheese and mint. I have a small watermelon, and I'm going to cut it into bite-sized chunks. I have a small block of feta cheese, and I'm going to cut it into small cubes. I have a nice stack of fresh mint leaves, and I'm going to just roll them and run my knife through them. I've transferred our cut watermelon to a large bowl, and to it I'm going to add the feta cheese, nice big pinch of that fresh mint. I have half a lime. I'm just going to squeeze that right on top, and just 2 cracks of black pepper. Just give this a quick toss. I'll put this in the refrigerator to chill, and I'll serve it up. Our watermelon salad is fully chilled. Let's give it a taste. The mint really blooms, and it goes so nicely with the watermelon. And then the feta just gives it that little bit of saltiness that brings the whole thing together with a little bit of creaminess too. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make watermelon salad. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.